if you've been tuning into Smile for the past couple of weeks, between having Luciano, Daviana, and other bands, there's no way you never know. So the big show, Rebel Salute, started off last night in Priory St. Anne. And to tell ya, and I definitely know that it's happening, because we were there. Whoop,
yes,
whoop,
front and center.
Whoop, whoop. And it go on, it go on, it go on. You know what Rebel Salute is, right?
Yes.
Big celebration for the birthday of the big man, Tony Rebel. He's born on the 15th of January, I think, but they always have the celebration
right
on
after
the weekend. Yeah,
yes.
Whichever weekend
that
falls. Tell me about your
I did a lot of walking, and
True.
I know
that's why a good thing you wear slippers.
I know, and I was. You have to wear something comfortable, and you have to. There are certain things that you have to bring if you are going to stay for the show, and whether it's going to be 2 hours, 3 hours straight until the sun comes up at 8 o'clock in the morning. You know, it really, you have to just bring a couple stuff. So, for example, your reggae chair.
Yes.
Right? The reggae chairs were on sale. You have to also have your scarf for your tam because it's going to get chilly.
It got chilly.
Yes.
And I done a long sleeve thing down to the back.
Yeah.
It's for cow.
And you know, say, dengue. The dengue situation. So, you have to be very careful. So, it's a good thing to wear the long sleeve, okay? And some pants. Yeah, it's really good. We can't forget the flag. Like, we can't forget the flag.
Still in the trunk.
Yes, the Lion of Judah, the King and Queen, the Mac. Listen, I learned about all of them last night.
I bet you never learned. So I have one up on you. If you can tell me what a reggae bed is.
The reggae bed?
What is a reggae bed?
No, the back. Is it a cot?
A cot. Anybody over there know what a reggae bed is? No?
No, it's
Soldier for the win, guys. Soldier for the win.
Soldier, big up yourself.
A reggae bed is last night. A reggae bed is any box where you capture from supermarket, anywhere you want to capture it from, you lay it out on the ground, you hop in it out, and then you put sheets or cover or whatever.
No, I want to tell you.
No,
I want to tell you. You can go and talk about reggae bed. I want to tell you that persons walked with their tents and bean bags.
Because you can camp there.
Yeah,
and
I made sure to point out that, listen, we were quite lucky that we didn't get any rain this year.
Because
the reggae shoes.
In mud.
No, but the reggae shoes banned because the plastic bags were them used for the reggae shoes.
Yes,
remember band, so we ain't got no more reggae shoes.
I forgot when don't have the money to put on.
So I don't know if it's a paper bag. I don't know all the paper bag would work because we don't got no more reggae shoes. Reggae shoes.
Well, yeah,
no
that
more.
cut.
No more.
Guess what? We still have one more night of Rebel Salute, and the lineup is amazing tonight.
It's great. It's gonna be great. Another early morning or sun hot morning, but it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it.
And guess what? There was no rain. Like it rained early in the day, and then the sun came out and dried up all the water. How that song go? Down came the rain, out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And okay, I'm gonna stop.
So I wonder if we should go back. Yeah, another big show on the roster.
Lot of mercy.
Like let's look to that, right? So VIP sold out. So the promoters of Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom concert are confirming the much anticipated concert in Kingston have been sold out for VIP tickets, right? Banton's publicist, Ronnie Tomlinson, warned prospective patrons not to purchase their ticket via any other medium but www.bujubanton.com. The concert will be held at the National Stadium on the 16th of March.
All right. What's his name, Mr. Ronnie? Go back down, look a bit.
Mr. Tomlinson.
Ronnie
Tomlinson, yes.
Sir, wherever you are, my name is Sakina Dare, and you are the biggest, baddest publicist that I've ever seen. Because you have sense. Oh, it's a lady? Lady, girl, lady. My darling, women in the heart. You're my thugs. Like, you're my boss now. You are the best publicist we ever seen in my life.
Listen.
Shit, look here.
Even at the launch, you know,
no,
everybody looking up for Buju, anticipating, say, yo, I might can squeeze an interview, I might can get a little clip, a picture.
Nothing. No. You better go take a picture with the poster then.
Or with the video, that he sent.
That alone again.
And it's so amazing that the sites crashed just a few
2 minutes after they opened.
And I had persons messaging me like, Tally, where can I find physical tickets already?
Where
oh my God.
No, like, people were asking me if no ticket now give it. Again,
before
we go any further, do not call my phone asking me for tickets for Buju concert. I do not have any. I never got any. I have to buy like everybody else. I don't have none.
It's serious. It's serious. But persons are the tickets them, you know, when you say hot bread, it's really,
it's
really
like
serious.
Captain bread with little butter on it.
Yeah.
Amazing. Pick up yourself though. As I said, Madame, you are a wonderful, wonderful publicist because trust me.
Yeah, she knows what she's doing.
All right, next one. An egg. Oh gosh, I can't believe we're going to talk
the
about
one with
this.
the most likes?
An egg just robbed Kylie Jenner's Instagram title of having the most liked photo. Yeah, an egg, like an actual egg. Now it's going to be a model. The egg is going to model. All right, so here it is.
It started already?
Yeah. Shortly after welcoming her first child, Stormy, in February, Kylie shared the first baby photo of her adorable daughter, and her daughter is adorable, by the way. The pic just went on Instagram, and she earned the title of most liked photo with 18 million. Yes, whoa. 18 million people actually went boop. But then, an Instagram account opened this month and shared a stock image of an egg, ambitiously with the aim to dethrone. Really? Really? That was the actual
Yes,
point?
it was.
The egg, that was it?
Yeah. Because
they wanted to dethrone the queen. It did. The internet worked magic, and now the egg has over 41 million likes.
Okay.
The egg that beat Kylie Jenner is now a fashion Nova model. I can't read no more. I don't want to read no more of that.
No, but it's
can't
true.
tell me that's a real thing.
It's real
Or the
thing.
egg for model.
What do you mean?
They
threw some jeans on that egg. Yes.
Tell it, stop it. I'm
going to show you the picture.
Okay,
all right.
So what did they do? They said, okay, we're going to put this picture of the egg out, and we want this egg to have more likes than Kylie. So y'all like the picture?
Yeah. Like, yeah, that's why many persons were, and then I saw persons even commenting on, Twitter. I always keep up with Twitter, right? And saying, listen, it's so amazing that as the egg drop and we have this request to go like the egg, everybody run go like the egg. But if your friend have a business or if your family member have a business that they need your support, you're saying, oh, I can't post it, or I can't like it, or I can't share it because of whatever reason. You know, so...
I'm not liking the picture of the egg.
I didn't like it even. I don't even know where to find it.
Rebellion. I'm not like the picture of the egg.
I don't even know where to find it. But I've seen it, and I've seen the picture with the jeans on the egg.
Did you like that one?
No, I never liked that one.
Did you press like?
I did not.
Come on, confess.
I did not.
Confess.
I promise, I did not. You know what? Moving right along. Now, last week, a new Facebook challenge went viral, asking users to post a photo from 10 years ago, right? And won in 2018 or 2019 and responded to the question, how did aging affect you? You know, yeah, it quickly turned into the 10-year challenge. Over 5.2 million participated in the challenge, and it follows closely after the Bird Box challenge, right? And the top 9 photos of the year challenge. But this one has caused quite a stir and some concern from users. Speculation arose about the motive behind this viral challenge and had users questioning if this was a ploy by Facebook to use, for facial recognition data.
It's quite possible. I'm not putting nothing past
Possibly.
I'm not putting nothing past them.
This whole algorithm, the algorithm thing. So, for example, like when you're typing an email in Gmail, and it kind of guesses your sentences for you. So hope you are doing well or whatever. Based on the conversation that you're having, you actually see they're actually giving you options to.
So you literally kind of type one word after
that's a possibility, but the 10-year challenge, they're saying it probably just came up because Facebook, when they always show you your past history, right? Like said, oh, this is what happened 8 years ago. This is what happened 7 years ago. So maybe it just kind of.
Did you do it?
No, I did not.
I didn't either.
I didn't do it. But
rebellion. I'm not doing it.
A lot of my friends and family members, they posted pictures, from 10 years ago or some 20 years ago. They tried.
What it did make me do though?
What that?
Actually go back and look at some old pictures.
Me too.
Hey, I swear I was a hot girl them
Me
time.
too. You want to see somebody dressing?
It's so terrible.
See the dressing and the hairstyles.
See me with this big gap on those.
Yeah,
those
yeah.
pictures.
But it's good. It's good to refresh our memories. It is.
Question: do you think you look better now than you did 10 years ago?
I don't know.
How has age affected you?
I don't know, but I thought, maybe that people are asking if that's why I went back natural, because funny enough, 10 years ago, my hair was actually natural.
Oh, nice.
10 years ago was when I started texturizing my hair.
Okay.
So it's so amazing that, you know, life has a way of coming full circle. Yeah. So maybe that reached
well, you
me.
gorgeous, girl.
It's okay.
10 years ago on now, you gorgeous. So, guys, if you want to participate in our conversation this morning, you know where to find us on all of the social media platforms. Go tell us if you have posted your 10-year challenge picture.
Share it with us.
To see it. Yeah, I want to see it. Tally want to see it to see
Me too.
who can judge how age has affected you.
Sometimes I think some people them say them post the wrong picture because it don't look like the 10 years. You look the same.
All right, guys, that's it for the trending topics.